Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on 5 year plans. First, a plan is a deliberate attempt to spell out how the resources of a country should be put to use. Means plan. Simply plan means it has some general and specific goals which are to be able to achieve with a specific period of time. Means the plan are like growth, modernization, full employment, self reliance and equity. Each plan have some specific goals like improvement of agriculture. Then Planning Commission of India, the 5 year plan in India is framed, executed and monitored by the Planning Commission of India. The Planning Commission of India was set up in March 1950. With the Prime Minister as the ex officio chairman, and the commission has nominated deputy chairman who has rank of cabinet minister. First 5 year plan, which is started in year 1951 to 56. The first Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru presented the first plan to the Parliament of India on December 8, 1951. This first year plan to related the Harold Homer models. In the first plan sought to get country's economy out of the cycle of the poverties. The plan addressed mainly the agrarian sector, including investment in dams and irrigations. The total proposed plan budget is rupees 2069 crores. The target GDP is 2.1 and actually achieved in 3.6%. Then the objective of the first 5 year plan, the primary aim was to improve living standards of the people of India. This was done by making use of India's natural resources. To reconstruct the damaged economy after World War and partition, to solve food crisis and to improve the availability of raw materials, especially jute and cotton. The achievement of first 5 year plan for achieve the growth was more than the target. The total allocation of budget rupees 2069 crores and actual expenditure in this plan rupees 1960 crores. They mainly focus in this plan like agriculture sector. Then during these 5 year plans, net domestic product went up by 15%. This plan monsoon was good and there were relatively high crop yield, boosting exchange reserve and the per capita income which increased by 8%. This project also the set up the University Grant Commissions and Indian Institute of Technology where started the higher education in the countries. Then second 5 year plans. The second year plans function on the basis of Mahalanobis model. It was propounded by the famous statistician Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis in the year 1953. His model addresses different issues pertaining to economic development. The domestic production of industrial product was encouraged, particularly in the development of the public sectors. It used the existing art techniques of operation and research as well as novel application of statistic models developed at the Indian Institute of Statistics. And the plan assumes a closed economy in which the main trading activity will be centered on importing capital goods. This objective of this plan is focus on industries, especially heavy industries, and also primary to develop the public sector. The achievement, the 5 steel mills at Bhilai, Durgana, Rourkela and Jamshedpur were setups. Then also hydraulic power plants were forms. More railway lines were added in the northeast. The Atomic Energy Commission was formed in 1957 with Homi J. Bhabha as the first chairman. Also, the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research was established as a research institute. Then third 5-year plans. The third plan trace on agriculture and improving production of rice, but in brief, Sino-Indian War in 1962 exposed weaknesses in the economy and shifted the focus towards the defense. The objective of this plan is to up priority to agriculture with equal emphasis on development of basic industries, increasing the national income by 5% per annum. The construction of dam it continues. In this plan, many cement and fertilizer plant were also built. The many primary school were started in rural areas. State electricity boards and state secondary education boards were formed. A state road transportation corporation were formed and local road buildings become a state responsibility. Then fourth 5-year plans. The Indira Gandhi government uh, the, the Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. The objective of this plan is growth with stability and progressive achievement of self-reliance. Due to the recession, famine and drought, the India did not pay much need to long-term goals. In this plan, achieve the Indira Gandhi government nationalized major Indian banks and green revolution in India advanced agriculture. India also performed the Smiling Buddha underground nuclear test in 1974. Next, the fifth 5-year plan started in year 1974 to 79. The situation is high inflation, hike in oil prices, and failure of government take over the wholesale trade in a wheats. The improving the scope of self-employment through a well-integrated programs in these plans. The improving agriculture condition by the implement land reform measure these objectives of the 5-year plans. The achievement in 5-year plans, the electricity supply was enacted in 1975, which enabled the central government to enter into the power generation and transmissions. In 1978, the newly elected Morarji Desai government rejected the plans. The target growth rate of GDP is 4.4% and actually achieving 5%. Next 6 5-year plans. When the Rajiv Gandhi was elected as the Prime Minister, the young Prime Minister aimed for rapid industrial development, especially in the areas of information technologies. The Indian National Highway Systems was introduced for the first time and many roads were widened to accommodate the increasing traffics. In this plan, tourism also expanded. The sixth plan also marked the beginning of the economic liberalization. Family planning also was expanded in order to prevent overpopulation. Then seventh 5-year plans. In this plan, proposed plan budget rupees 3,48,150 crores and actual expenditure in this plan 2,18,730 crores. In this plan situation reasonable growth rate of economy. The objective of this plan is the accelerate food grains production, increase employment opportunity and raise productivities. The target areas of the seventh plan have like social justice, removal of operations of the weeks using modern technologies, agriculture development, anti-poverty programs, and fully supply of foods, clothing, and shelters. The plan expected growth in labor force of 39 millions peoples and employment expected to growth at the rate of 4% per annum. Then 8 5-year plans. These can be termed as Rao and Manmohan models of economic development. The objective of plan is the modernization of industries, poverty reduction, and human resource development. The achievement of this plan, the growth rate of 6.8%, and in this plan, at the time of Dr. Manmohan Singh's, the major objective including containing population growth, poverty reductions, and mean India become a member of the World Trade Organization on 1st January 1995. This plan can be termed as Rao and Manmohan model of economic development. Next is the ninth five-year plans. Uh, the priority of this plan like agriculture sector and on the rural development. Then to stabilize the prices, to ensure food and nutritional securities, then quality of life, productive employment and regional balance and self-reliance, and to create a liberal market for increase the private investments. Then formulated amidst the backdrop of India's golden jubilee of independence. In this plan, the growth rate is 5.35%. Then 10th five-year plans. The objective of this plan is the reduction in poverty, then high quality of employments, universal access to primary education, the reduction in gaps in education. The actual expenditure in this plan is 16 lakh 18,416 crores, and the achievement of growth rate is 7.2%. Then 11th five-year plans. In year 2007 to 2012, the objective of this plan is the rapid growth that reduces the poverty and create employment opportunities. Then access to essential services in health and education, especially for poor peoples. Then employment through education and skill developments. Then the National Rural Employment Guarantee Program also started in these plans. Then the focus on the environmental sustainability. Next, 12th five-year plans, which is started in year 2012 to 2017. And the decided growth rate at 8.2%, but the National Development Council on 27 December 2012 approximately at 8% growth rates. Thank you.